I'm Steve Oquist, drummer for Blindside Billy. I've been a drummer now for 15 plus years. Some things I like about Collision sticks, I just like the way they felt in my hands when I first got them. Also, the Reach series, I like the extra long stick. That works good for me when I'm playing. Another thing I liked was the customer service on the process of getting my sticks, where they were and tracking that and whatnot. So thanks for all that.
This is a Blindside Billy original, Drinks with Kings.